Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make the left tab 2" in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to make the left tab 2". Click inside the text box, then go to the paragraph settings option and select the tab settings, and we can see here the default tab stops 1.5. Now we write 2, then select the left option alignment, then click OK, then click before the text and press tab on our keyboard, and we can see we make the left tab stops 2 very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.